In this video, we're going to learn how to read a double bar graph. So if we have a problem like this that says, for a class project, each student voted for their favorite pet. Third and fourth graders participated in the vote. How many more students chose dogs than cats as their favorite pet? So this is the number of students. This is the favorite pet. This is how many voted for cats. This is how many voted for birds. And this is how many voted for dogs. So third graders are in the turquoise, okay? And then fourth graders are in the purple. So the first thing to do is to understand this wording here, okay? So this wording means comparing two categories and subtracting to find the difference. So when you see wording like this that says how many more than, right? How many more of one thing than another? It just means that you take the one thing, subtract it from the other thing to find out how many more there are, right? So let's look at that. Step 1, find the two bars for dogs. So one bar is for third graders and the other is for fourth graders, right? Now, so this is the two bars for dogs. Now read the numbers for both bars on the left. So we could go here. So this is 80 for the third graders, and this is 90 for the fourth graders. Let's continue. So add the two numbers together. 80 plus 90 equals 170. 170 students chose dogs as a favorite pet. Now, for cats, we repeat steps 1 to 3. So we go to cats, we go across and see how much the third graders and the fourth graders chose cats. So 20 and 30. So then you add them together. 20 plus 30 is 50. 50 students chose cats as a favorite pet. The final step is to subtract the two to find how many more dogs than cats were chosen as a favorite pet. So let's do that. 170 minus 50 is 120. So the answer is 120 more students chose dogs than cats as their favorite pet. And that's the end of that lesson. And don't worry if you don't understand it right away. You could just rewatch the video. You could check out the description. There's other videos down there with links if you need some extra help. And then you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's this exact lesson. You can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.